Misty Mountains. My name's Gus from Nautilus Aviation. So today we're going out to a secluded sand cay, Vlassoff Cay, out on the Great Barrier Reef. So welcome once again on behalf of Nautilus. Step into the aircraft. The way we take off, okay, guys. But we do have air conditioning.
Welcome the guys back from their big day out on the reef and see how they had a good time. Can't wait to hear how their day went today. How was it?
Fantastic.
Amazing. Amazing?
What a great experience.
Absolutely amazing. So which sand cay did you go out on?
Vlassoff Cay. We've just been out to Vlassoff Cay out on the Great Barrier Reef.
Beautiful.
What a place, yeah.
And,
you don't want to leave now, do you? You want to go for another ride?
Absolutely perfect conditions out there today.
Was it? Oh.
No one else was there, only these two guys and they secluded little sand cay.
We did. Beautiful, excellent. Did they get to have a little snorkel?
Yes. Yes. We did a good hour's worth of snorkeling.
Did you find Nemo?
No.
No.
Nearly every other member of the
Nemo
cast,
but
not Nemo.
Well, welcome back. It's your last night tonight.
I know.
Are you ready to go?
No.
No. Oh, well, anyway.
What an amazing place.
So you like Misty Mountains?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very much so.
What's your best part, favourite part?
Oh,
Have you used
so
the
many
glass
parts.
bar yet?
But
Yeah.
yeah. Sitting out on the top there, overlooking the mountain here, it's quite an evening time.
Wow, and that
The sun
puts it
goes
all
down.
into perspective, doesn't it? Like the size of the actual
Oh,
mountain
yes.
range and the rainforest, and actually you're in the middle of it.
Yeah.
There's no one
Beautiful.
else. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I'm glad you had a good day out. I was so happy the weather was like meant to be today.
It was, yeah, after the
That was
two
the-
rainy days.
It was the connections, you see. Now, what time are you guys heading out to?